Kahuman ang luluka ko ay I come home in the morning like mine. Nobody else, what you gonna do with your life? Oh, mother, there is a fortune one. That girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun.
Sayo, ikay dancer.
Sayo, kita dua kita.
Okay, sayo dap, say. Dap. Ya, ketik, dia.
The phone rings in the morning light. My body else, what you gonna do with your life? Oh, daddy dear, is fortunate ones, but girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. That's all we really want. Some fun when the working days is done. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun.
Sayo, tik.
Wanna have fun. Wanna have
Mo ni ang atong birthday girl. Birthday girl, paragma ni ha, birthday girl.
Sayo, sayo. Happy birthday to you. Hinitik ba ito?
Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk them over. They wanna have fun. Oh, girls, they wanna have. That's all I really want. Some fun when the working day is done. Oh, girls, they wanna have. Oh, girl, they wanna have fun. Oh, girl, they wanna have fun. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have. They just wanna. They just wanna. They just wanna. They just wanna. Girls, girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna. They 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 just wanna. Girls.
Kuya, walang dancer
Just
yung
wanna